Thai cuisine is renowned for its harmonious blend of sweet, sour, salty, and spicy flavors, offering a diverse array of dishes that cater to various palates. Here are 10 quintessential Thai dishes you should consider trying. 1. Pad Thai. A stir-fried noodle dish featuring rice noodles tossed with shrimp, tofu, or chicken, eggs, and a tangy tamarind-based sauce. It's garnished with crushed peanuts and fresh lime, offering a delightful balance of sweet, sour, and savory flavo. 2. Tom Yum Goong. A spicy and sour shrimp soup infused with aromatic herbs like lemongrass, kaffir lime leaves, and galangal. This iconic dish perfectly captures the essence of Thai flavors. 3. Green curry. Known locally as Gang Kiao Wan, this curry is made with green chilies, coconut milk, vegetables, and your choice of meat, offering a harmonious blend of spicy and sweet flavors. 4. Som Tam. A spicy green papaya salad combining shredded unripe papaya with tomatoes, peanuts, dried shrimp, and chilies, dressed in a tangy sauce of lime juice and fish sauce. 5. Massaman curry. A rich and mildly spicy curry that blends Thai and Indian flavors, featuring tender meat, often beef or chicken, simmered with potatoes and peanuts in a creamy coconut milk base. 6. Pad Krapo. A popular street food dish where minced pork or chicken is stir-fried with Thai holy basil, garlic, and chilies, typically served over rice and topped with a fried egg. 7. Khao Soi. A northern Thai specialty, this creamy coconut-based curry noodle soup is enriched with spices and garnished with crispy fried noodles, offering a unique and flavorful experience. 8. Mango Sticky Rice. A beloved Thai dessert featuring sweet sticky rice soaked in coconut milk, served alongside ripe mango slices, creating a delightful contrast of textures and flavors. 9. Tom Kha Gai. A creamy and aromatic chicken soup made with coconut milk, galangal, lemongrass, and kaffir lime leaves, offering a milder yet flavorful alternative to tom yum. 10. Lab. A northeastern Thai minced meat salad, typically made with pork or chicken, seasoned with fresh herbs, lime juice, fish sauce, and toasted rice powder, providing a zesty and refreshing taste. Please note that the prices of these dishes can vary significantly depending on the location and establishment. In Thailand, street food vendors often offer these dishes at affordable prices, ranging from 80 to 100 Thai baht, approximately $1 to $2. However, prices may be higher in restaurants, especially in tourist areas or international locations. Here are some additional details regarding the pricing and where to find these dishes. Estimated price range in Thailand. Street food stalls, 50 to 120 THB, $1.50 to $3.50. Local restaurants, 120 to 250 THB, $3.50 to $7. Mid-range restaurants, 250 to 500 THB, $7 to $15. High-end restaurants, 500 plus THB, $15 plus. Where to find these dishes? Bangkok, Yaowarat, Chinatown, or Tor Core Market, Ron Jfai, Michelin-starred street food. Chiang Mai, Night Bazaar, Khao Soi Lam Duan. Phuket, Old Town, Loc Tien Food Court. Pattaya, Floating Market, Terminal 21, Food Court. Would you like recommendations for specific locations, or details on how to cook any of these dishes at home?